In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gemini in Chrome. We will go from finding the feature to actually asking Gemini your first question. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. When Chrome opens, you should see your usual tabs and the address bar at the top. If Chrome is not already pinned to your taskbar or dock, just open it the same way you open any other app on your computer. Once Chrome is open, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Click the Chrome menu and check for the update option shown there. If Chrome starts updating, wait for it to finish and then let it relaunch. An up-to-date Chrome is what allows new options like Gemini in Chrome to appear. Now sign into Chrome with your Google account. Look at the top right corner and confirm you see your account icon. If you are not signed in, Chrome will ask you to add your Google account and turn on sync. Being signed in makes sure Gemini can use the same account you use in other Google services. With that ready, look for Ask Gemini at the top of the Chrome window. It usually appears near the address bar as a text button or chip labeled Ask Gemini. Take a moment to scan that top area carefully, since it can be easy to miss a new button that just appeared. Once you see it, click Ask Gemini. Right after you click, a new panel area will begin to slide open on the right side of Chrome. This click tells Chrome you want to use the built-in Gemini assistant instead of only browsing the web. The first time you use it, follow the on-screen instructions to opt in. Chrome may show a short explanation of what Gemini in Chrome does and how your data is handled. Carefully read the options and then choose the button that confirms you want to turn it on. A beginner mistake here is clicking away without finishing the prompt, which keeps Gemini disabled. After you confirm, Gemini will open in a side panel. You should now see a white panel on the right with the Gemini logo and a text box at the bottom. That panel can stay open while you browse, so you can use Gemini without leaving the page you are on. Next, type your question or request and press enter. For example, ask it to summarize the page you are viewing or to draft a short email. As soon as you press enter, Gemini will start generating an answer directly inside that side panel. If you do not see Ask Gemini, click the three dots icon in the upper right corner of Chrome. This opens the main Chrome menu. It drops down over your page and shows options like history and downloads. From that menu, select Settings. Chrome will open a new tab that shows the settings page. The left side shows different sections, and the right side shows the options for the section you pick. In Settings, go to AI Innovations. This section is where Google puts experimental and new AI features in Chrome. When you open it, you should see options related to smarter browsing and Gemini in Chrome. Now select Gemini in Chrome. Clicking this will open the detailed controls for the Gemini feature in your browser. You may see switches for enabling Gemini and controlling how it appears while you browse. From there, you can manage Gemini settings and permissions. You can decide whether it can access the current page and how it integrates with your browsing. Any change you make here applies right away, without needing to restart Chrome. There is also a quick way to access Gemini. You can type at Gemini in the Chrome address bar, press Tab or space, then enter your prompt and press enter. Chrome will open the Gemini web app with your request already filled in and the answer loading. You have now enabled Gemini in Chrome and learned 2 ways to open it for your questions. So if this helped, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Chrome tips.